Oh, there's fucking. Who's that? Who the fuck is that? That's Tommy.
That's Tommy. Oh! As he's driving, he just had surgery on the hip. You know what? The best part about this job is we're 20 years on the job now, so we're the last guys to leave. Yeah. These jerk-offs gotta go to work.
Yeah, we're going right now.
They're all going down. We gotta wait. You know, we wait. The snow's coming.
4 hours. That means we got another 4 hours before we have to do anything. So we're still getting paid. What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, we're on our break.
Yeah, what break? Let's go! We gotta go get some coffee, a couple donuts and all that. Come back around. Come back around. I want Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme, please. Whatever you got. Okay. Be ready. Let's go.
I grabbed a donut. Come on.
Yeah, the donuts. Forget about the donuts. All right. Take care.